Tennis is my favourite sport. What's your favourite sport? Hi, welcome to this video where you will learn all about hobbies. The video structure for this is I will do a hobby. You have to guess what is the hobby. Then I talk about it. And then you say if you enjoy it or if you don't enjoy it. So give me your opinion on the hobby, okay? So this is really going to improve your speaking fluency. So please speak in this video, speak out loud, not just in your head, and you will excel in your speaking fluency. Let's go. Time to go outside and to see what hobbies there are to do outside. Gardening. I love gardening. I think it is so satisfying and relaxing. Let me know, do you have a garden? Sunbathing. I love sunbathing. We never have the sun in Ireland, so days like this are the best. Do you enjoy sunbathing or do you prefer the cold? Football. Football is so much fun, especially when you have friends to play with. What football team do you support? Cricket. This is an old cricket bat. Do you enjoy playing cricket? I am not really interested in it, but my husband loves cricket. It is his favourite sport and he watches it all the time. Baking. I love to bake. I love baking. I bake something every week. Do you like baking? Painting. I am painting a picture. Painting relaxes me. What do you think of painting? Reading. I love to read books, especially books that help me to learn a new language. Do you use books to learn English? Writing. I am writing a story. It is fun to be creative with writing. Do you like writing? Doing a jigsaw. I love doing jigsaws as they help me to relax after school. What's your opinion on jigsaws? What's your opinion on doing a jigsaw? Have you ever completed a jigsaw before? Watching TV. I love to watch Netflix after work. What do you watch on TV? Playing chess. I don't enjoy playing chess. I think it's boring. Do you like playing chess? Tell me, what is your favourite hobby overall? Are there any hobbies that I missed or that you really enjoy doing? Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you all later. Bye!